Right, in this video we're going to use a graph of a curve to solve equations. So it says the diagram shows the graph of y is equal to minus x squared plus 5x minus 4. It says use the graph to solve minus 5x squared plus 5x minus 4 is equal to minus 1. By drawing a suitable straight line graph, solve the equation minus x squared plus 5x minus 4 is equal to x minus 3. So we need to solve, first of all, minus x squared plus 5x minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So if we write underneath y, we've got the graph of y is equal to minus x squared plus 5x minus 4. And then if we draw the graph, okay, we will need to draw on our graph the line y is equal to minus 1. So drawing the graph y is equal to minus 1, which is this horizontal line here. Okay, we need to see where that intersects with our curve. So it's going to be there. So at that point, we need to draw a little line and an arrow and read off the scale here. So it's 0.6, 0.7. And the other place is here. And again, mark it on and then read off. So we're going to get that x is equal to 0.7 or x is equal to 4.3 from the graph. Solving the second one, so we need to solve minus x squared plus 5x minus 4 is equal to x minus 3. So drawing our graph, which is this one, take the graph again, we got y is equal to minus x squared plus 5x minus 4. So we're going to need to draw on our graph y is equal to x minus 3. So we're going to use the idea y is equal to mx plus c. C will be minus 3, which will be there. M is a gradient of 1. So we've got to be a little bit careful because that is not 1 square on the x-axis. That is 1 square. So you need to be a bit more careful. So be careful with the axis. So that's 1 along, 1 up. Take care of the units of the axis. This one is, each one of these big squares is 0.5. So 2 of them is 1. But on the y-axis, only 1 of them is. So you need to be very careful to make sure you draw the right line. And then draw that in again. So we've got 3 points, so we can actually join them up. So with your ruler, join these points up. Label the line. Right, we're interested where the blue line touches the curve. So again, I'm going to take that point there and read off our graph. So it's 0.25. And the other one here, which is going to be 3.75. You should try to show how you got your answer. So x will be equal to 0.25 or x will be equal to 3.75 from the graph. So this has been a video to show you how to use a graph to solve equations. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.